How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's video, vlog number 4 of my 7-day vlog challenge. And as I said, mentioned in the last video there, it's Thursday here today, chocker blocked. Got a wee bit of a window here to grab a bit of lunch. I've had a meeting earlier on and have a meeting after this. So very quick video. Wee bit of an unboxing. Well, it's not going to be an unboxing. I know it's in here, so I'm going to let you share this with you. But can I start off, thank you all so much for your support on this channel. And Saturday wee vlogs. It was a challenge that I set myself just to get me the momentum going. I know the content itself is not life changing, but it's just so that I can start to get, I am a real procrastinator. It comes from my old days of the depression aspect. When I was depressed, I don't let things really rag me. But the downside of that is that, you know, I become too much of a chill out merchant. So this is to get me back into making videos again. More so than the content, but doing it, I have to say, it's been an eye-opener, because I did do a 30-day challenge. Now usually when you're doing the vlogs, daily vlogs, you would shoot the video during the day and you don't upload it till the following evening, so it means you have nearly a whole day to edit it and think. I knew that, but what I did on this occasion, I wanted to push myself, so I shoot the video during the day, tweak the photographs if there's any photographs, edit it, render it and upload it, and trying to hit 7 o'clock every night. So it's a bit too much, I have to say. But the positive, one wee second, the positive is I've been thinking so much about different content of Zorro, the mark of the Z of the Z or Z. So basically, it's got me thinking about videos, and this one's just a wee bit of a vlog here. I'm really keen on upping my game about the content, and you know, I see a lot of people doing daily vlogs and things, and to me it's not my bag. To me it's just not what I would even aspire to do. When I've done the 30-day one, it has a negative effect on your social life as well, and your interaction with people, because you're constantly doing. Plus, if you're trying to earn money at work, once again, it's going to deflect from it. So I've no interest in doing a daily vlog. I know for a fact that, you know, as a result of doing this, I've come up with a lot of good ideas. So this here, if you remember the video I done with the screen bar light by Ben Q, I done the review. I'll put the links up above there. The company has seen it and they're actually very impressed. So they've asked me would I do another review. I'll do an in-depth one in the coming weeks with it, but I know what's in it. Let me see. Oh, hold on. This is look at that, man. Fucking hell. Okay. Thank you so much. Right, so this is called an WIT e-reading lamp. Hold on. Flipping hell, have I? Would I put this box out of the way? The quality of that light, I'm loving the screen bar light that I'm doing. I've done a review on. Absolutely game changer, let me tell you something. And I'm under no, agenda here with this company. It's a fantastic company. I'm just so glad that they're seeing that my content is genuine enough. So there you go. This is what I'm going to be reviewing. Table lamp. It's a screen lamp, but you can put it over either your monitor, laptop, reading, tablet. I'm going to do an in-depth review of it. So this came today. Happy days. So probably be next week before I can actually do the unboxing for this here, and probably be a couple of weeks later before I put it up. But really, Ben Q, if you're not familiar with the other review he did, it's up there. I love it, and I have a feeling this one is going to be the exact same. The quality of the company, the items, and what it can do is like stops a reflection of it. So there you go, guys. Catch you later. Going to finish off a wee bit of lunch and back again for the next meeting. See you later.